Welcome back. We've got a great recipe for you today. It's a kale salad. It's been really highly requested. As I've mentioned in my first video, I do ballroom dancing, and every week we prepare a plant-based meal for the folks that show up to have dance class. And we've been serving the kale salad lately, and people just seem to love it. So I thought, hey, I'll just do a video and show you all how we do it. So stay tuned.
You'll need a mixing bowl, a large bag of kale, a bag of matchstick carrots, 1 lemon, a tablespoon of sesame oil, and either your dressing of choice, or you can watch the next video and see the dressing that I made for the salad.
We're gonna get started today with the kale salad recipe. And you don't need much. All the ingredients you can get at your local Walmart or regular grocery store. None of these recipes I ever do are from a fancy grocery store, so they're all very affordable, very close to you. So let's get started. So for starters, we're gonna start by massaging the kale. We wanna massage the kale because kale by itself, when it's not pre-washed and not massaged, it can be a little bit bitter, and no one wants a bitter salad. So we're gonna take the juice of 1 lemon and a little bit of salt, and we're going to just massage it. And as we massage it, it's going to become a really bright, beautiful green. Once we achieve that texture, we know we have the right consistency and we're ready to fold in the other ingredients. So let's get started.
Well, we start when we filled our mixing bowl with the bag of greens, and I'm juicing 1 small lemon. And then I'm adding a little bit of salt. Now I start massaging. If you can see how we started off, the greens were kind of dull in color, and as I continue to massage it, you'll see them get brighter and brighter and just look absolutely beautiful. Now as I continue to massage the greens, you'll notice that it will deflate, so it'll reduce to about half or a third of the size that it was when we started. And that's intentional. It's going to wilt down and it's going to make it more tender to eat. As I massage it, it's getting brighter and brighter green, and it's wilting down. It's looking really good. There you see it. Now I'm adding in a tablespoon of sesame oil. And then the dressing. So if you want to make this quick, it can be a pre-bought dressing. But if you really want to up the flavor, check out the next video for the dressing I made. Some matchstick carrots, about 1/3 of the bag. Then once you have all the ingredients in the bowl, you just massage them in all together. You don't want to overly dress the salad and make it soggy. You probably only add about a 1/4 cup of dressing to the salad initially, and if you want more, then you can add later. But just massage it all in there, all that flavor. And there you have it.
Okay guys, it's taste test time. You know, one of the greatest things about changing my lifestyle and eating so healthy is that I start to crave less and less all the bad things I used to eat, especially because I had such a sweet tooth. And I wake up most days really craving vegetables. So today I woke up, I said, you know, I really want a kale salad, and since everyone had been talking about it and requesting it, I just can't wait to dig in. It's so good. You get the tang from the lemon juice and the vinaigrette. And you use any salad dressing that you prefer, but try to keep it like a vinaigrette. You get the crunch from the carrots. You get the nuttiness, almost smoky like, from the sesame oil. It's really good, guys. And you eat this as this main dish or a snack or lunch like I'm doing now, or as a side dish. And guys, this didn't even take 5 minutes, and it's so delicious, so healthy, so full of fiber and so many nutrients. You gotta try it. Let me know. Bomb. Hey guys, so that's it. So quick and easy, totally less than 5 minutes to put together. You can always customize it, add fruits or nuts or anything that you like to add more crunch or add more variety. But for your basic easy, delicious kale salad. This is just a great recipe. We have so many compliments from me every week in class, so I just wanted to share it with you guys today, and I really hope you all enjoy the recipe. If you do end up making this recipe, please make sure you let me know. I would love if you take a picture and tag me on Instagram at NaijaBarbie363 or on Facebook at NaijaBarbie, or send me an email at NaijaBarbie363@gmail.com. I really appreciate y'all hanging in there with me today. And if you're not a part of the Naija family yet, please be sure to hit the red subscription box below. I would greatly appreciate it. And be sure to like, share, and comment. That lets YouTube know to share this video with other people, and it also lets me know that you like the content that I'm providing. So please just share, like, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you next week. Bye, guys.